Hi, it's Charlie again at Partick Hill Station. And just to continue the question about overhead filming. Now, I purchased this, it's an Annexer, however you pronounce that, and it's a small tripod that allows you to do overhead photography or videography. The problem is that I haven't been able to resolve how to rotate the head so that it's in this area here. But in the meantime, I can elevate the subject matter, and as you see, I'll just try and rotate that a little bit. As you see, I can cover just about everything I need to there. Anyway, that's one aspect of it that has to be resolved. Now, there's another solution, and I'll just bring this over. You have to excuse me, I've been suffering with a chest infection, and it's been problematic the last few weeks. Now you saw this, excuse me, microphone stand, and it's kind of perfect if I could get the right connection. So I found on Amazon that I could get this adapter, and that's a 3/8 to 1/4 adapter, a 1/4 to 3/8, and vice versa. So it came in a package of 4. Anyway, so I'll just show you how this would work. So here is the camera holder, the iPhone holder that would go on to a little tripod that I've got. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw this on. Hopefully it works okay. And it's engaging, that's a good thing. And that's it, it's fully engaged there. Now I just have to get it rotated. Getting it in the correct orientation and in the correct height. So I think that's a problem solved. A microphone stand with an adapter that will go from 3/8 to 1/4. That way your regular iPhone holder for a small tripod will be supported from excuse me, will be supported from this. I'll get this out from here, as you can see, and there is the tripod itself, and it's sturdy enough that it can take the iPhone no problem. So that will take care of the challenge that I've had for the longest time, and it'll work much better than this small one here, because I can position it vertically as well as horizontally. Now, the other issue I'm working on is when I've done these recent live broadcasts, I didn't realise that in spite of me holding the cell phone in a horizontal position, it produced the video file in a vertical format. And you know, now I've got the problem of trying to rotate that, and it's not easy, since YouTube a couple of years ago removed that tool from their editor. It used to be you could go into the editor and say rotate, and it would rotate the video. Why they took it out, I don't know, but I'm having some challenges trying to get that resolved. Anyway, I hope you find this useful and a cheap solution to a setup which has challenged me for a while. And as I say, all you need is a microphone support, tripod, relatively cheap, near, or just check out the name here, Amazon Basics in this particular case. So you could look that up for a microphone tripod under Amazon Basics, and then make sure you get the adapter 3/8 to 1/4 for the iPhone holder, and that's your problem solved. So if you enjoyed that, drop me a note and tell me about your experiences, or if you know something better, I'd be interested in hearing. Anyway, bye for now.